Autotiv serves thousands of companies across the country and ships more than 10,000 3D prints every week. In-house, we run over 200 3D printers spanning FDM, SLS, and SLA. We have about 70 builds queued right now, which is a major problem because our machines are too slow. Beta testing the Fuse X1 has been an incredible opportunity. It's our 5th SLS machine and by far the most productive. The sheer speed is extremely impressive. It requires very little floor space compared to our other industrial SLS machines, and yet it delivers double the throughput. In fact, on a dense build, more than double the throughput. Other service bureaus running legacy platforms are stuck with build times that are 2 to 3 times as long. The Fuse X1 is able to deliver its massive build volume every 24 hours. This means that you're able to produce giant parts, thousands of small parts in a single build every single day. For example, building a large part with a 200mm Z height in the Farsoon would be a 2-day build. The Fuse X1 can knock that out in about 10 hours, so it'll easily ship the next day. When customers are in need of thousands of parts, which is routine, we're able to complete their projects in a day or a matter of days instead of queuing out for weeks. It provides a rapid return on investment. The low upfront cost, the extreme throughput, and the low amount of labor required thanks to the ecosystem, it's been incredible. I mean, the machine is incredibly productive. The mechanical properties and the surface finish are excellent. It's significantly easier on our operators, and it's incredibly cool. It's a game changer for the industry.